Well, hey, if you are making video games in Pico 8 and you want to move your camera to follow your character, here's how you do it. All right. So we have a little game here. This is actually from my gravity tutorial here just a couple of videos ago. And it's really, really simple. Okay, so we have this function init. We have the player that's being set up with just a couple of variables for X and Y. We have the buttons moving him left and right. And we have some gravity stuff happening. And then we're clearing the screen. We're making the map and we're drawing the player. And so that's what we get. We get this guy kind of walking back and forth. We don't have jumping or anything set up yet, but here's what we want. We want to be able to follow our guy. That would be great. How do we do that? Well, it's actually really simple, okay? So here under map, we're just gonna say camera. And inside of these parentheses, we're going to put the point where you want the camera to attach, okay? So we could say player.x, player.y, like that, save run, and now it follows the player left and right, like this, but he's in the upper left-hand corner. So we don't want to do that. We want him kind of in the middle. And so let's actually offset this a little bit. So let's say player x minus 60 and player y minus 60. Let's see how that goes. Save run. Look at this. Now we can follow our player. Isn't that cool? Cool. All right. Oh, get over there. Yeah, now I can go on a little adventure. Oh, can I get over? Yes. And so we can follow our player here using that simple little thing. It's just camera, and then we kind of offset it based on the player. All right. It doesn't have to be any more complicated than that. That's pretty much it. So yeah. One thing that I'll mention is that if you want to make video games and maybe you're feeling like, you know what, this was a great little update and it's great because I'm busy. I don't have a lot of time to learn this kind of stuff. Well, you should come on over to my game dev school. That's right. All you have to do is click the link down in the description. And we have a really great time in here learning how to make video games together. And if you go to the classroom, there is a class called the Spawn Point. And this will teach you how to make video games. It will teach you the basics of game development, even if you're busy. It's in small, little, bite-sized chunks. We also have a class for the basics of Pico-8 and the basics of pixel art. And yeah, those are full courses and they're available with your subscription to the Game Dev School. And we have challenges like every week. And there's some really, really cool people making amazing games here. Okay, so like this is just some homework from one of our challenges here. And yeah, we got a little guy walking around. We got all kinds of stuff. People are not going to judge you for not making perfect games here because that's what we're doing. We're all learning. It's really chill. It's an amazing little place. So yeah, there's a link down in the description. If you want to learn how to make games, that's how you do it. But yeah, this is how you do the camera. You just type camera. And yeah, it's pretty awesome. Okay, bye.